In the hustle of daily life, we often find ourselves immersed in silent monologues, whether debating over a choice of coffee or rehearsing a conversation. But have you ever paused to ponder about the voices in your head? They resonate as clearly as a discussion with a friend, yet no actual words are spoken. This daily occurrence is a stepping stone to understanding the awe-inspiring realm of the fifth dimension. When you're silently debating whether to order a latte or a cappuccino, there are two voices in your head. One might argue for the comfortable taste of a latte, while the other pitches the frothy allure of a cappuccino. You're not just thinking, you're engaging in a silent conversation, hearing each voice distinctly without uttering a single word. This process mimics how your brain operates when you vocalize your thoughts. A marvel that hints at the complex layers of consciousness waiting to be explored. This phenomenon is like having a radio inside your head, tuning into different stations of thoughts and dialogues, making the mundane act of choosing coffee a mystical experience. We live in a three-dimensional reality: height, width, depth. These dimensions are the stage where the drama of life unfolds. Time, the fourth dimension, orchestrates the sequence of events. Yet, there's more to existence than meets the eye. As you step out into nature, feeling the wind and listening to the rhythm of rustling leaves, there's a subtle energy, a harmonious melody that ties everything together. This all-encompassing vibe is a whisper from the fifth dimension, a realm where the physical meets the metaphysical. It's akin to feeling a deeper connection to the world around you, something that transcends the boundaries of physical reality, akin to the strings of a grand orchestra creating a melody that echoes the harmony of existence. The fifth dimension isn't a far-off galaxy. It's a perspective, a way of perceiving reality beyond the physical senses. Imagine being able to feel the past, present, and future, not linearly, but as a single entity. When you reminisce about a cherished memory, it's not just a mental image. You're tapping into a timeless realm where every moment exists simultaneously. It's like having a library in your mind where each book is a moment and you have the liberty to explore any book at any time, feeling the essence of each moment as if it's happening right now. Everything around us, including ourselves, vibrates at specific frequencies. This vibrational energy is the language of the fifth dimension. By tuning into our inner vibrations through mindfulness practices like meditation, we can glimpse the unity of existence. It's like tuning an old radio. Once you hit the right frequency, a clear signal of understanding rushes in, connecting you to the vast symphony of existence. The vibrations we harbor are like ripples in the water. Each thought and emotion creates a ripple, affecting not just us, but the energy field around us, creating a dance of interconnected vibrations. Stepping into the fifth dimension is about harmonizing your mind, body, and soul. It's about transcending the hustle of modern life and tapping into a profound understanding where love, compassion, and empathy guide your actions. It's not a one-time journey, but a continual process of growth, exploration, and self-discovery. It's like embarking on the most exhilarating journey where every step brings you closer to the core of existence, unraveling the beauty of life in its purest form. The fifth dimension acts as a bridge between the tangible reality we live in and the elusive unknown that intrigues our curiosity. It's a realm where science and spirituality shake hands, acknowledging the vastness of the unknown. It's about embracing the mystery, the joy of discovering the layers of reality that often remain veiled to the rushed eye. It's like being a curious child in a vast garden of wonders where every leaf and every stone holds a story waiting to be discovered. Across the globe, communities of seekers are coming together, exploring the realms of higher consciousness, delving into practices that allow them to tune tune into the fifth dimension. Through meditation, contemplation, and mindful living, individuals are exploring the essence of fifth dimensional living, creating ripples of change in the collective consciousness. It's like lighting a candle in a room filled with mirrors, each reflection amplifying the light, illuminating the path for many. The concept of the fifth dimension invites us to view life through a new lens. It's not about discarding our 3D reality, but enriching it with a deeper understanding that there's more to existence than what we perceive. As you navigate through life's ups and downs, remember the realm of the fifth dimension is not a distant myth, but a closer reality waiting for a willing heart and an open mind. It's a call to explore the boundless, to dive into the heart of existence, and to dance the rhythm of life that beats in every heart, resonates in every soul, and echoes in the whispers of the universe. Are you ready to explore the fifth dimension in every aspect of your life? It's simple. Just feel it, see it, and know it. If you enjoyed today's video, I thank you. Please like and share with someone who needs it, someone who may need a shift in their thinking. Feel free to comment below. Let me know how you are experiencing the fifth dimension. Until next time, beloved.